We're going to need 3 of the Jenga blocks, a piece of Christmas tree, twine, red berries, a little tiny eye hook, some black paint, and our paintbrush and our glue gun. And these Jenga blocks get glued together down the middle. These I picked up at the dollar store. They're called Tumbling Tower. Stick those together nice and tight. You don't want to put too much glue so that it oozes out, but just enough so that it sticks. And then the bottom one goes across. There you go. Now we're going to take the black paint and we're going to paint it. Then you're going to want to let it dry a little bit. To speed up the drying, you could use a hair dryer or a heat tool. If you just do one coat and do it kind of lightly, it should dry quick. After it's dry, you're going to want to stick a little bit of glue on the back and take our piece of twine. We're going to wrap it around to form the band of the hat. I wrapped it about 3 times. If you want to do it more, that's fine. It's all up to you. Cut off the excess. Next, we're going to take the little piece of Christmas tree, fluff it up a bit. You might want to cut yours down if it's too long. And then take the berries. I used 3, but you could use all 4 if you'd like. Twisted them. And they cut easily with scissors. I'm going to glue the berries onto the branch. And that's going to get tucked behind the twine. And then just move it where you'd like it. There we go. The last step is to put this little tiny eye hook on. It's easiest to put right in the middle of the 2 blocks. If you want, you could also put it on the corner so that the hat hangs sideways. But if you want to put it in the middle, you should be able to twist it in between the pieces. I'm going to show you a couple of options. If you want to make your hat look a little farmhousey, worn, after you paint it, take the nail file and you can just file or a piece of sandpaper, sand block, and just file at the paint to rough it up, and you've got a whole new look. Another option, in your box you should have gotten a little container that had some snow in it. I love this stuff. You can use the snow anywhere you'd like. Add it to some of the other projects if you'd like to, dress them up. This stuff will take a good 24 hours to dry. So you're just going to take a little bit of it with your paintbrush and dab it on. You don't need to paint it too thickly or put a lot on. As it dries, it'll get a little puffier, and it has glitter in it, so it'll be sparkly. So we're just going to add some on this one ornament, dress it up a bit. But like I said, feel free to use the snow anywhere on any of the other projects that you'd like. If you haven't made the snowflake ornament yet, you'll use it again there. So that's a few different options. Add snow, you can leave it alone if you'd like it without the snow. You could sand the edges to give it a little bit of a country-ish look. It's really up to you.